Welcome back, my dear students, in your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am, and we are doing unit 13 of NCERT book of your class, surface areas and volume. Till now we have done the first 4 exercises of this unit, in which we have studied about the surface areas. Now we are going to start with volume of the 3-dimensional objects. And for these objects I have given you the formulas also, which we have discussed earlier, but now we are going to focus on the volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H, volume of cube, that is A cube, volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So note down, I told you to make the table in your notebook also. Earlier in the very beginning I have given you the formulas. I hope you have noted down all the formulas in your notebook. So now today we will study this orange column, that is volume. So before doing the question of 13.5 exercise, note down the formula in the cloud form. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H, where L is the length of the box, cuboidal box, B is the breadth, and H is the height. So let's now read question number 1 of 13.5 exercise. Dear students, before starting, let me tell you that volume is find out only if we are going to fill anything in the box. अगर हम कोई फिलिंग की बात करते हैं, अगर हमें कुछ फिल करना है अंदर, तो हमेशा वॉल्यूम निकालते हैं. लाइक बॉक्स के अंदर मुझे खूब सारी स्वीट्स फिल करनी है. आई वॉन्ट टू पुट आलमंड्स इन द बॉक्स. आई वॉन्ट टू फिल वाटर इन अ क्यूबॉइडल टैंक. आई वॉन्ट टू पुट मिल्क. आई वॉन्ट टू पोर मिल्क इन अ क्यूबॉइडल कंटेनर. सो जब भी हम फिल करने की बात करते हैं, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. First question is, the matchbox measures 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of the packet containing 12 such boxes? Now you all have seen the matchbox packet. उसमें आपने देखा है मैच बॉक्सेस होती हैं. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि कितना ही वॉल्यूम है उस पैकेट की जिसमें 12 बॉक्सेस हैं. So we need to find out the volume of that packet which contains 12 match boxes. तो this is the packet, it contains 12 match boxes. इसके अंदर 12 match boxes रखी हुई हैं. So we need to find out the volume of this packet, and the length, breadth and height of small match box is given to us. तो हम देख लेते हैं जितनी 12 match boxes, this is one match box, जितनी 12 मैच बॉक्सेस की वॉल्यूम आएगी, दैट विल बी द वॉल्यूम ऑफ पैकेट. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ पैकेट इज इक्वल टू 12 इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन मैच बॉक्स. एंड एज मैच बॉक्स इज इन द शेप ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, तो हम क्यूबॉइड की वॉल्यूम निकाल लेते हैं. एंड इट्स डायमेंशंस आर 4 सेंटीमीटर, 2.5 सेंटीमीटर and 1.5 centimeter. All are centimeter. So volume of packet is equal to, because this volume पूरा packet किसके equal है, 12 match boxes की. So we'll multiply by 12. And now because the volume of matchbox and matchbox is in the form of cuboid, तो volume of cuboid का formula लगाएंगे, that is L into B into H. So 12 into the length of matchbox is 4, into breadth is 2.5 centimeter, height is 1.5 centimeter. So a centimeter with this, a centimeter with this, and a centimeter with this. So 3 जगह सेंटीमीटर हैं. its power is 1 plus 1 plus 1. तो 1 plus 1 plus 1 क्या यूनिट आएगी, cubic centimeter, right? So whenever the volume is there, the units will be cubic units. So by solving it, you will get the answer as 180 cubic centimeter. So this is the volume of the packet, which contains 12 match boxes. Okay, so in this way you can solve this question. Now let's do the second question. So now dear students, next question. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? Look at the dimensions. They are given to us in meters, but they are asking us the capacity, means volume in liters. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. Now dear students, the tank is in the shape of a cuboid. तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि इस टैंक में कितना पानी आ सकता है. ऑब्वियसली कितना फिल कर सकते हैं, जितनी इसकी कैपेसिटी है, मीन्स जितनी इसकी वॉल्यूम है. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन टैंक इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ टैंक. जितना टैंक की वॉल्यूम है उतना ही पानी उसमें डालेंगे. एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ टैंक एज इट इज शेप, इट्स शेप इज क्यूबॉइड, तो हम किसका फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, दैट इज L इंटू B इंटू H. सो लेट अस पुट द वैल्यूज. 6 मीटर लेंथ, breadth is 5 meter, height is 4.5 meter. So by solving it, you'll get as 135 cubic meters. 3 meters are multiplying, so 1 power plus 1 plus 1. So you know that when the bases are multiplying, having same base, powers will be added. So this, but this is the volume in cubic meters. We need to convert in liters. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter, means हमें, if I'll multiply it by 1000, then this will be converted into liters. So that means 135,110. So 1,35,000 liters of water can be stored in this tank. So the questions of this exercise are very easy. Try the questions once yourself also. Now dear students, question number 3. A cuboidal vessel, again the shape is cuboidal, is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide, means its length and breadth are given to us. How high, high means height, कि उसकी height कितनी होगी, how high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of liquid. So this is the cuboidal vessel. Its length is, it is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. We need to find out its height. How much high is it so that it can hold, its holding capacity is 380 cubic meter. And as I told you, whatever is given to us, start the question with that. Now cubic meter means its volume is given to us. And as the vessel is cuboidal, so let us apply the formula for L. Cuboid, L into B into H. So whatever is given to us, just put the values. So length is 10 meter, breadth is 8 meter. So now we can find out, only H is left to be find out. So let us see. So cross multiplication by, we'll get it as 10 meter into 8 meter. So you can solve it, we can cancel it, and 2 meters will be deducted from this, only 1 meter. 3 minus 2, only 1 meter will be left. So when you divide 38.8, you will get 4.75 and 1 meter is left. As this is the length, this is the length of this side, means height. So obviously single unit आएगी. This is not the area. तो स्केयर आता, अगर वॉल्यूम होती तो क्यूब, बट हाइट इज़ द सिंगल लेंथ, means meter. So in this way, now dear students, try the questions of this exercise yourself. Once try these questions, and in the next videos I'll discuss the questions with you, but try the questions yourself also. The exercise is very easy. Now if you like my videos, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.